Alright, so I pretty much just got back up to the room really quick because I had to bring back my drone and everything and walk with a smaller camera. But like if you guys are vloggers or YouTubers and you have a drone that you want to bring here and to film or whatever, drones are not allowed here. Lucky enough for me, like I already flew my drone, got footage and stuff like that, so yeah, I'm good. But drones are not allowed here. They said I could talk to the front desk. Maybe I could have told them that I'm a YouTuber that I'm capturing, and maybe they would have allowed me to fly it. I don't even know, but it's not allowed here, so quick FYI. But I got lucky, I got some shots. All right, so I just came back down and we're trying out the restaurant called Mango's. I just picked something quickly off the menu. There's a fish sandwich that I got and Kadisha got as well, which is gonna be cool, so you can get like both of our ideas. What did you get? Jerk chicken sandwich. That's probably another cool thing about hotels, is that like there's unlimited food, baby. You can eat as much as you want. So
I don't think it's true for the meals. But like the jerk chicken sandwich, I know the jerk chicken now would taste like a real pan-fried jerk chicken.
It's never gonna taste like
nothing here. What's Jamaican food actually tastes like Jamaican food. So if you want to get Jamaican food, you have to go for the
straight up
hotel. So
yeah, that goes back to the whole idea of like when you come to hotels, like are you being fully robbed from the experience? You see me? So I would say, like, I know some persons are going to be asking me, is it a family-oriented hotel? Yeah, I think so, because there's a teen zone where you can take your kids to play like FIFA or NBA 2K, PS4, whatever the case is. So that's there. There's a kiddie pool, there's the slides, which I think is a really good addition to have the slides. But on the food thing, the food is gonna be edible food. Like it's not gonna be much of a difference. But if you want to really dive into like that Jamaican culture, like the real ackee and sawfish, real pork, real jerk chicken, you gotta hit the streets.
Well, let's not get ahead of ourselves. I have to taste it first. Food, they're mean. Seafood. I just see shrimp in our seafood. Yes.
Tastes good?
Don't get it wrong. The food tastes good. It's just not necessarily authentic to Jamaican flavor.
Facts.
That's all, but it tastes good. This me didn't need, man, to put most gas.
If you hear someone going like this in the background, it's my sister, because she said the soup is spicy. Oh, you dirty girl. You are so rude. Hey, hide this on the camera.
So you bit into a piece?
This, I just took one sip and like the intensity of that seafood flavor, it's epic. It's almost like they make the crab them bathe and all the bathe water and just put back into the soup. Oh my gosh. They probably made this with like seafood broth as well. It's really good. Yeah, it's a bit spicy, but it's good. What do you think about the Kadisha? Is it good?
It's real good.
It's really good? Yeah, it's pretty good. Hey man, you're boring. Chicken sandwich. Thank you. I'm a big sorry. Oh, look at this. Fish.
Thank you.
Alright, awesome. I know some of you at some point in your life you had to be like the food protector. You know, funding from the flies and everything there, you know? Yeah, they're going for some juice, so I have one job. But to be honest, I think Jamaican flies in early business boat funding is like they might say, oh, well, hello there, sir. Is it an obstacle course? I'm in, let's play. And him still come. On in Jamaica. So they're saying pretty much that the soup was the highlight. For me, the fish sandwich was pretty good. I never had a problem with it.
Yeah,
it isn't like
soft and nice.
Yeah, it wasn't like banging, but it was good. I'm good. So the next move right now is to head over to the lazy river. Where we're gonna get lazy. So we're in the water now. This might be a good FYI, like you can pee in the water, right?
At your own risk.
At your own risk. Huh? You know when you go to some parts and like the whole pool turns blue? I don't know. So yeah, we want to use the lazy river, but apparently the floaties are all taken up, so You can still use it without being in a phone. It's still the same idea.
What? Oh.
Yo, if you come in here for the sun, you're definitely gonna get it. Jamaica's hot, yo. But I still setting up some of the pool volleyball, so I guess I'm gonna play that. Maybe I'll play. I wanted to use a slide, but no one's gonna come with me, so I didn't use it. Maybe tomorrow I'll definitely use it. So yeah, I want to sleep. Yeah, they just announced the pool volleyball thing. I wonder if it's a competition. I don't know.
But we got vibe and we got attitude, and that's what counts, alright? So, for this dance class, I'm gonna be really, just gonna do some.
Yo, so this came to my head, right?
Make sure you're not touching anyone.
The volleyball.
And then we're gonna get started with our warm-up session. So this is
yeah, so this pretty much came to my mind. Like some persons, like when they watch the vlog, like some people will say like, oh, like somebody made a comment, they went, oh, when they hear like, what you call like an American accent, they get annoyed and stuff like that. No, the key point is, you realize when you come to hotels, like the workers there, they have to speak with like, with an American accent, because for some reason, Jamaican people, we're very talented. We can understand most accents. But people from other countries, they struggle so much, even when we speak like standard English. So that's one of the reasons why my channel, I try to do it that way. But anyway, there's some dance competition, but I'm not going over there now. Alright, so now that I'm away from distraction, we were just playing some pool, we're playing pool volleyball, pool volleyball, we were playing it just now. It was pretty cool, we won. But just to get to what I was saying, if you travel to Jamaica, generally you shouldn't have like any language barrier, because people here speak standard English. That's something that I get people sometimes comment on the channel, which I really don't bother about sometimes, is why do I speak with an accent sometimes? As you heard the girl over the PA system, you know, when she was talking, when you come to the hotels, like the hotel workers or the hotel staff, they do speak with an accent because, let's face it, us as Jamaicans, like, we can understand most accents, but even when we speak more like standard English like this, which is more of a Caribbean accent and a Caribbean sound, some persons for some reason doesn't quite understand it, yeah? And that's kind of the reason why sometimes I do speak with a bit of an accent, because I think over 60% of my viewers are from the US, not even Jamaica. Probably like 16% are like definitely Jamaicans. Of course, some of the people who are from the US, they are Jamaicans, of course. But I speak in a tone that I think is going to be more universally understandable, if you get what I'm saying. And it's something that I know, because in my job, I work with people from all over the world, like Brazil, France, Japan, all those countries. And when I do play around and I use my Caribbean accent, standard English, they just don't seem to understand. Like, if you have that issue being in the US where you speak standard English and people don't understand you, sometimes drop a comment and let me know if you've had that experience. But for me, that's how it is. Alright, so we pretty much just got back to the room. On a pretty good day, to be quite honest. Yeah, as far as I see, coming to like an all-inclusive hotel is pretty chill, especially if you just want to just relax and have someone cater to everything, like food and all that. In terms of activities, are there a lot of stuff? Not really. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of the vlog. I'll catch you guys later on when we go to, you should start on me.
3 Palms.
And we go to 3 Palms restaurant tonight. If it beats the one that we went to last night, that's gonna be even great. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation. Always remember, keep the link.